Evening, everyone. The San Miguel Beermen are back to the winning column after defeating the Phoenix Fuel Masters. And with us tonight are our winning coach, Coach Leo Austria, and our best player of the game, Don Troliano. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Leo, nakabawi yung team sa lack of effort defensively last game with how they played tonight. At isa pa rito, yung second unit mo was able to produce over 46 points versus just 6 points nung huli ninyong laro. Ano po yung assessment nyo sa performance ng players at sa kung papaano sila nag-respond sa mga adjustments nyo tonight?
I think it's very obvious, from 6 points to 46 points, and that's a lot. And usually, we're relying on our bench, because our bench can be a starter, but they have to know that every player is very important. But what is noticeable is the defense of our team, although very physical in the first quarter, because they played a good defensive a game against us, itong Phoenix in the first quarter, and we're surprised. But because of they are well motivated to win because of that loss against Talk and Text. And then there's no other way for us just to win. Dahil if we will lose, we will be dropped to number 8. And then now, on our win, siguro, we'll be at number 3 and still on track on the top 4.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Don, from no points at all last game to a conference high night para sa'yo, paano mo tinake advantage yung mga opportunity na nakita mo sa loob ng court kanina na nakatulong din sa'yo to bounce back after being scoreless nung huli ninyong laro?
Just like I said kanina, just play hard, kailangan namin mag-step up pag nag-struggle yung first group. So the mindset is just to win. We can't afford to lose back-to-back games kasi yun nga, yung standing is dikit-dikit. So pag natalo kami, babagsak kami. So, mindset is just to win.